फ्रेशर्स वेलकम है ना, ऑल आर अलार्म्स, बच्चे कोई नहीं रहे अभी।
ठीक है, चलो स्टार्ट करें।
Yeah.
Okay, hi guys. Today I am the host. And this is my first hosting event. To expect some path-like snafus. Myself, Sunil, 2001 IIT Bombay pass out, mechanical engineering. We are really glad to have you here, and thank you for taking time to come here. This feels like freshers welcome slash ragging, but we haven't had that much fun like probably in 20 years. I'm really glad we are doing something similar. We have great line of speakers. Trust me, they are really, really good. And we hope you enjoy this. So let me tell you about our first people. So we have first Mr. Devesh. He is CEO of IIT Bombay Alumni Association. Before that, he was a trader and he still trades. And then we have Namita, the only non-IITian in this line of speakers who actually spent 8 years at IIT. So she will tell more about that once she joins. So please let's just welcome with a round of claps to these two great guys.
Thank you very much, Sunil, for that introduction, and thank you to the Bangalore chapter of IIT Bombay Alumni Association for organizing this Freshers Welcome. Of course, normally this would have been an event at some venue in Bangalore where we would be having food and drink and so on, and listening to some great speakers in person. But thanks to the pandemic, this is the best that we can do. So thank you to everybody, to those who have sacrifice the cricket matches people have mentioned to join this Freshers Welcome online. As Sunil mentioned, I am myself an IIT Bombay alumnus. I graduated from 1990 from the BTech, getting a BTech from the Computer Science and Engineering Department, Hostel 9. And then after spending most of my life after that in the US, I came back last year to head the IIT Bombay Alumni Association. So a little bit about the association. We are basically a Section 8 non-profit, which is an independent organization from IIT Bombay. But we work closely with them. We were founded about 20 years ago because there were some gaps that needed to be filled, which IIT Bombay cannot do because it's sort of not part of their charter. But these were mostly alumni-driven initiatives, such as the financial aid program, where we fund students who have fallen through the cracks in terms of getting scholarships from the government or institute. And so we actually even fund mess bills through this program. And this is one of our most popular initiatives with about 1 crore disbursed every year and about 100 students benefiting. Besides that, we also have a hostel alumni team stewardship program, which helps to improve conditions in the hostels. And in fact, one of the new projects that we are launching with this is an H5 enhancement project, where we're building some additional facilities such as bathrooms and reading rooms in H5 to cope up with the crush of students that are there in the hostels right now. So initiatives, we also have our main mission is to connect alumni together with each other as well as the institute. And so the way we do it is through a chapter structure. And so we have about 13 chapters in India, and 7 in the rest of the world, excluding the US. And the US itself has about 12 or so chapters in there. And the US organization is actually a separate organization called IIT Bombay Heritage Foundation, and so they handle the US chapters. The Alumni Association oversees the chapters in India and the rest of the world. So Bangalore is one of our most active chapters, and we have several people on the leadership here on the call today who will tell us more about it and the various tracks that they had. So please do listen to them and participate in some of the tracks in the upcoming years. And besides that, we also do the annual reunions. So one of our biggest reunions is the Silver Jubilee reunion, which happens for people who passed out 25 years ago. but we also have reunions for other batches as well. So that in a nutshell is about IIT Bombay Alumni Association and what we do. We thank you very much for joining today, and hope to have a long association with you.
Namita, please.
Hi everyone, thank you very much for having me here, despite not being an IITian, but it doesn't make a difference anymore now because I've started thinking like you all. So yeah, thank you very much. Devesh has covered pretty much everything about the association. One thing that I would like to add is, which I always highlight in most of the meetings, is that this association is made by the alumni and for the alumni. And the serious part of it is this place is funded by you guys. You must remember that, because our corpus is built from the life membership fee that you guys give for to the association once in your lifetime. So you must remember that this association is yours, and this association is for you to mold. So this is something that I would like to highlight. And without too much of talking, let me just hand over the floor to you guys so that you guys can have fun and welcome the real heroes and heroines of this session. So over to you guys.
Yep. Thank you, Devesh, and thank you, Namita. Let's start our evening with a little more fun, and what best to do it with a cultural track performance. And we have two good singers. One is Anirudh and one is Shubhankit. So Shubhankit works at Samsung. So if you have an issue with Samsung phone, Samsung TV, whatever, you reach out to Shubhankit and he will just whine about it, not solve it, but still it would be fun. And Anirudh is actually a doctor or a PhD, you can say, but he's a great musician also. He recently composed a song, Stay Away From Me, just for Corona. So let's just welcome these guys for the song, please.
Okay, then. So before starting, can you hear me? Can everyone hear me? Yes. Okay.
Yes.
So before starting, I just wanted to share something with the freshers here. So when I was at IIT Bombay, I used to get involved in a lot of cultural activities, and after coming out of IIT Bombay, I really missed those activities. Okay, and then I always used to think that those days will never come back. But during this lockdown, I recently got involved in the cult group here. And it's almost like you're back to your olden days, wherein you have your regular work and you have all that responsibilities. And also you have an outlet like this, wherein you can showcase your talent, you can be more creative. So this is a very good opportunity for all of you. So make the most out of it. And there are excellent people organizing the whole event, people, in the front line also behind this event, and also these chapters. So I think you should make the most out of it. So that's what I want. So I'm singing a song which is more relevant to the college days. In fact, it's about friendship. जो रूठा तो कौन बनेगा, तू जो छूटा तो कौन रहेगा, तू चुप है तो ये डर लगता है, अपना मुझको अब कौन कहेगा, तू ही वजह तेरे बिना बेवजह बेकार हूँ मैं, तेरा यार हूँ मैं, तेरा यार हूँ मैं। आजा लड़े फिर खिलौनों के लिए, तू जीते मैं हार जाऊं, आजा करे फिर वही शरारतें, तू भागे मैं मार खाऊं, मीठी सी वो गाली तेरी सुनने को तैयार हूँ मैं, तेरा यार हूँ मैं, तेरा यार हूँ मैं। जाते नहीं रिश्ते पुराने किसी नए के आ जाने से, ज्यादा हूँ मैं तो मुझे तू जाने दे, क्यों परेशान है मेरे जाने से, टूटा है तो जुड़ा है क्यों, मेरी तरफ तू मुड़ा है क्यों, हक नहीं है ये कहे कि यार अब हम ना रहे, एक तेरी यारी का ही सातों जन्म हकदार हूँ मैं, तेरा यार हूँ मैं, तेरा यार हूँ मैं, तेरा यार हूँ मैं, तेरा यार हूँ मैं। Thank you.
Thank you. Yep. Shubhankit?
Hey guys, can you hear me? Okay,
Yes.
good. So for the next song, I'll sing Jeena Jeena from the Badlapur movie. I hope you all must have heard this song. So without much talking, I'll just play the song for you guys. And here it goes. दहलीज पे मेरे दिल की जो रखे है तूने कदम, तेरे नाम पे मेरी जिंदगी लिख दी मेरे हमदम, हाँ सीखा मैंने जीना जीना कैसे जीना, ना सीखा जीना तेरे बिना हमदम, ना सीखा कभी जीना जीना कैसे जीना, ना सीखा जीना तेरे बिना हमदम, सच्ची सी है ये तारीफें दिल से जो मैंने करी है, तू जो मिला तो सजी है दुनिया मेरी हमदम, हो आसमां मिला ज़मीं को मेरी आधे आधे पूरे हैं हम, तेरे नाम पे मेरी जिंदगी लिख दी मेरे हमदम, ना सीखा कभी जीना जीना कैसे जीना, ना सीखा मैंने जीना मेरे हमदम, ना सीखा कभी जीना जीना कैसे जीना, ना सीखा जीना तेरे बिना हमदम, हे Thank you so much, guys.
Thank
Hope
you.
you all
Let's do
enjoyed
a
it.
round of applause for both of them. Great, yeah. So this reminds me of IIT days when we had some of these musicians and the girls would be swarming around them, and we would be fucking losers. Sorry, I should not use the F word. But let's move on, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. So we have two more great guys, and this will be more like a quiz thing. So let me ask a quiz. So we have first Regis here. Um, he can make you fly. So what department do you think he was studying?
Aero.
Sorry, Aero. Yeah.
Aero.
Yep. So he studied CFD. In case you don't know, you might want to Google that, and aerodynamics at IIT. And he can make you fly. He basically optimizes planes' bodies. And next we have Utsav. He's a scientist. We have a lot of scientists and doctors in the lineup today. Great GPA, some 9.4. He does food testing also. And they're going to ask you some interesting questions. And I would like the freshers or the people who came to Bangalore to participate in it. So this is going to be really fun. So just participate and you will enjoy. What's up, and Regis? Over to you guys, please.
Yeah. So what we will do is we'll have a game here, like fun game, and I'll post any of us, Regis or me, will post links there. Mentimeter game. So you click on the link, and I'll present the screen, and you answer the question as it comes. So as for that, you will see what happens. So let's get ready for the fun part, and I am pasting the link here. So.
What's up? Can you share the screen also?
Yeah. 1 minute. Are you able to see?
Yeah. Yeah. So this is a prestigious issue for everyone. So first question, maybe I will go with that. Which is the best hostel at IITB according to you?
Okay. 1 minute. Yeah. I have to paste it. What is the chat?
ये ओपन एंडेड क्वेश्चंस भी चलेंगे क्या? इसका तो कोई आंसर सही जवाब नहीं है ना.
नहीं है, लेकिन
श्रद्धा की बात है.
win, like who has the highest number that will project more. So suppose
click on the link.
Suppose I click on the link and answer 5 will be projecting more. So basically I am from hostel 5 and 14, so I would prefer 5. So let's see how many of them are loyal to their hostels.
And you can do like multiple entries you can do. Come on, 9 is winning.
2 is 9 is winning.
9 is still winning. Where are you?
No one from 11, hostel 11. No one is
11 ka. Who is that? Like 10 we got. 15.
I thought 11 was famous in your batch.
Come on, 10
9,
4, 10.
Hostel 11 is it these days?
Yeah, sir.
Finally 11. Yes.
11. Up to I think 18 hostels are there, sir, right now.
Oh.
So
who is the winner now? 9 is the winner.
9 is the winner.
Undisputed winner 9. So please.
So can anyone tell the name of the hostel 9 at least?
Pluto.
Great. So 10 and 9. Okay. So we'll
we are almost on a tie. So let's see.
Okay.
I think we'll give it for both, 9 and 10.
9 and 10. They are the winner. Okay.
Okay.
Small clappy for all those things. Move to the next question. Okay, it's not there. 1 minute. Let me go back. And
that's a presentation.
What is that?
No, sir. These are the questions. So it's like a website. So.
Yup. Let me put it. Yeah. The chat. Yeah. So click on this one. Next one, I'll present.
Hostel 8.
So for an example, like H100 I have kept, but it's not like H100 you have to give. For an example, you can put hostel 6, hostel 5, which is the hostel with worst food. H15. Oh my God, new one, right? H4. Yeah. I heard H4 has a good food. Come on, yeah.
H5 was best in my time.
This is worst food, not for good food, okay? Guys, this is for worst food, not for good food. Come on.
H4 is winning.
H4 has the worst food, huh? Nowadays?
4 is considered to be good food, but once you eat there, then you're like, it doesn't live to expectations. So
Everyone is smiling on H4. That's what it is.
Come on here.
My memory
I
of
think
H4,
people
like,
have a grudge on
it's such
H4.
awesome food, and then you go and eat there, and it's like we dal chawal khila rahe hain.
They might have said about the small canteen in H4. That might be the reason.
Maybe. I don't know. Okay.
Is that Tansa still there? There used to be like a Tansa when I was.
Yeah, it was there when I was there, like in 2014. I don't know now.
That used to have good food.
It's still there.
Still there.
Yes.
Still there, eh?
Yes.
Tansa.
Do you have Sunrise Dhaba and all still there?
Tansa, we used to get fish and rice. That I remember. Okay, I used to go there.
Yeah.
So all the Bengalis
So
are related, right?
There was this concept in Hostel 7. I don't know if others had this. जो खाना अच्छा बनता था वो अगली बार कभी नहीं बनता था क्योंकि ज्यादा खपत हो जाएगी तो अगली बार से वो बनाते ही नहीं थे अगर अच्छा बन गया गलती से कुछ
It's the same case in all hostels, I guess.
So how many have been have to Madhu mess? So
Is it still a thing?
in 14 it was there. I don't know if the
It was
current
there till
situation.
2018 as well.
No, it's
Okay.
still a case.
That's like a part of IIT Bombay now.
Yes.
It's part
I
of all
think
night
Devesh,
outs.
you have to add them to the alumni group.
Okay, so move to the next
H4
question.
one.
I think clear winner is the H4 worst food of hostel. Like Devesh and Namita, you were there, then take a note.
This maybe you can tell to the hostel also, so they can improve their food quality.
So this is the question: is have you ever been in the hostel of the opposite gender? Options are yes, no, frequent visitor, I don't know, I prefer not to say. So come on here, no question, no answers as of now.
With my wife, we stayed in
Yes. Come on,
Yes.
straightforward. Yes. अरे यार बाकी जनता क्या सो गए क्या?
Non-frequent visitor?
Frequent visitor, anyone?
50-50.
Come on, we got one. Come on.
17.
So 38, yes and no. No should reduce, man. Are no is. Why I prefer not to say? Come on, who is that?
Anonymous poll पे prefer not to say का क्या मतलब है?
H11 was horrible during my time. One of the reasons why I moved to H10. Suranjana.
Yes.
So it's about the food or people visiting the hostel?
No, the food. The food was really bad, and that's why there was nobody visiting the hostel.
So they were visiting the opposite hostel. So they were visiting the opposite gender hostel. I mean, hostel 12, 13, 14. Yeah?
So when you
Yeah, we
shifted,
used to go there. We used to go there.
so when you shifted to 11, how was the crowd? Like people started
No, I didn't
visiting?
shift to 11. 11 was what I was assigned to in the right at the beginning.
Okay, then 10
I
when you
shifted
shifted.
to
10,
Was
how
it
was the
10
crowd?
rebuilt? I remember like
Yeah, 10
2
was
or 3 years
rebuilt.
back, there
I
was no 10.
went into the new one.
There was like a empty plot of land where H10 used to be some 2 or 3 years back, and they were constructing, I think, at that time.
Yeah, 10 was demolished and they were building huge buildings.
Yes, correct.
Okay.
So Utsav maybe move to next question.
Yeah, sure.
But still what we expected, 40%.
40% yes, yeah. 35, big percentage of no. Come on, you have to reduce that.
It will reduce. It will reduce with the new law and all those 14% girls coming extra.
1 minute, I'll just share it. 1 minute.
If in between, if someone has any experience, you can share that also.
Yeah.
Regis, maybe you can start with your experience of visiting the opposite gender hostel.
No, I visited only once. That was during the Valfi time. So
Lucky guy.
why you are not invited for Valfi?
I was one of the
Yeah,
frequent
social
visitors.
is
So
like normal, right?
No, I used to meet many people outside, so there was no point in going to the hostel.
oh, campus ke bahar, huh? Must.
So Regis, you
Nice.
don't
During
know
my
about
time,
Regis,
there
you are
were
talking, huh?
socials and Dandiya and some other like events, and it was common to be visiting. So, I don't know if that's still a thing.
Regis,
Yeah, so as I was saying about the Valfi, so what was the one experience during Valfi which you can say anything, might be like food, gali, something. Come on, guys.
अरे वो म्यूट है शायद लोग.
Start
Mute
typing,
again?
man. Start typing in the chat box.
Chat box, no one typing.
देखो जब तक बच्चे सोचते हैं हमारे बैच में एक बहुत ही मस्त बंदा था 2001 से 5 जो बहुत फाट मारता था तो उसका एक बहुत ही अच्छा जोक था, वो वेल्फी टाइम पे खाना खा रहा था एंड वो स्टैंडिंग अंडर अ लाइट पोल। बोला भाई यहाँ अलग क्यों खड़ा है? बोला जितना मैं खाना खाऊंगा आई फील लाइट। तो वो आराम से खाना खा रहा, लाइट नहीं समझ में आया।
Utsav, they said Valfi is banned in their year. Like there was no
Yeah,
Valfi for that.
last few years it
Valve
was.
is banned?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Oh my
What
God.
happened before that? So,
हाँ तो क्या हुआ ऐसा क्या हुआ कि बैन हो गया?
It was from 2018, if I remember correctly, that Valve got banned.
So Vidyut is the culprit then.
I
so
could
I have
have been, but
shared.
it was in a different hostel. It was in hostel 8, if I remember correctly.
is there a story here or is it like?
Yeah,
suspense?
what was one? I've shared the link in the chat. So what was one experience during Valve you still remember? You
So
still
maybe
Come on,
if
guys. Now you can be anonymous and you can share your answers there.
anything? Yeah.
So whoever had attended Valfi, at least they can put it, like not the current batch, some previous batch also.
We just look at the chat once.
No Valfi.
Amras. And that senior की उल्टी food and friends. मतलब अच्छे sugar coat करके बोल रहे हो food and friends. I know what it means.
No proposals in your in that time?
हाँ वो तो बहुत लोग propose करता था ना. Self insult. Come on यार ये तो होता ही है. कहाँ रखूँ इसको? How to move this back?
Vidyut.
Sorry?
Okay.
हाँ, yeah.
दारू पीकर
Great.
GF की बेइज्जती. Okay. That's the most interesting one. Infi Amras और Infi food. Veg, non-veg वालों को veg खिलाना, veg वालों को non-veg बनाना. Happened in front of me. Like I have to save that guy.
Patil come to bust us. Who is Patil?
Patil कौन है?
Any idea?
Vigil. Patil is
Vigilance.
the key man in the Vigil.
Oh.
क्या ऐसा है क्या? ठीक है. Shall we go to the next one?
Yeah, we'll go to the next one.
Have you ever got caught during cheating in exams? Yes, no, don't remember, don't want to remember. 4 options are there. Anyone?
But in IIT, can you, what's the need? Because even if you feel, the prof will call you to his house, feed you lunch and ask you to write the exam again.
That depends on the prof, right?
Yeah.
In the toughest exams, I remember open book. It's like take the book and see if you can.
I wrote one thermodynamics paper 3 times in a day. 9 o'clock, then again after lunch, Professor Iyer give me lunch. Then again after tea at 3 o'clock. 3 times I wrote that exam.
Anyone got the pink slip?
That's so amazing, yeah. Aryan sir, you're very mazedar.
So anyone took the pink slip to postpone the exam and all those things?
No.
I did it.
I don't see any don't want to remember wala option. Come on.
Okay, so I think this batch is very smart. So
yeah.
We'll go.
Okay. So okay. You just have sent you the link. Just post it there. The 4th one. I'll just share my screen. Yeah.
1 second. I didn't receive it. Can you?
Okay, I'm posting. No issue. This is the 5th one and. Okay, tell me the time part. Okay, I'm just doing. Tell me about the time part, and I'll like.
Okay, so we'll hurry up. So at least.
Yeah. How much is this thing? Some problem is from my side in network issue. So, Janta, 1 minute. Just let me. I have some network issues here.
We can see and hear you fine. So.
You can see, but you have to see my screen. Nah? That's the thing. I'm unable to present. I don't know what happened. I'm unable to present, man. What happened?
Utsab, then okay, you can ask the question, Utsab, directly.
You can ask the question directly here. Let's do that.
We'll see the chat box.
Which was your favorite hangout place at IIT Bombay? I think they are already filling in. But...
Okay.
So at least you can fill the chat box for this.
Yeah.
Campus Hub, H13 Terrace. Wow.
बहुत सारे options है अभी. Samir Hill, Energy Building Terrace.
No one is saying H10, H11.
Boathouse, age
Still there?
13,
Nice.
Sunny.
Friends room. Only that? No Gulmohar?
Is Samir Hilltop, IT, PCSA, LT, PCSA, right? That one? What is that?
Yeah, LTPCC.
LT, okay.
RK.
Vihal Lake, Friends Room, Campus Hub, age 13 Terrace.
Sunny is there. So,
Sunny is our favorite. Nobody wrote Lakshmi?
yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Yeah.
Nobody
I
wrote
just
Lakshmi here.
चिंको बंद हो गया क्या वो S2 के सामने वाला?
वो शायद बंद हो गया.
Yeah, that is Sunrise Dhaba, I
I was
think.
there.
Yeah, that's Sunrise Dhaba in our time.
That is good for nothing now, as far as in my times in 2017. It has got
2014 also it was the Sunrise Dhaba.
it has got a good location, but it never leveraged its location. That's what I feel like always when I go past it.
I mean, it
Okay,
was very
Utsav.
popular when I was in the
Okay.
hostel, but it was
Next question
of course
will
falling
go.
down. So.
Next one is the okay. This I should have asked here. Okay, so who is that? So I'll tell you three names. So we have to tell who is the current CEO of IITBA. So first name is Shuhas Joshi. Second name is Dr. Shubhasish Chaudhary, and third name is Devesh Khatu. So please
So,
write in the chat box.
1, 2, 3 you can put it. Option
Yeah,
1, option 2, option 3.
अरे मेरा chat भी नहीं खुल रहा है. Okay, somehow it's stuck. Let me
Was
join
it
back.
the dean or the dosa or kya? What was the question?
Question is that who is the current CEO of IITBA? Is it
Everyone had listened to Sunil, I guess.
So that's the test. That's the test. Who has listened to Sunil or not? Is it Shubhasish Chaudhary? Is it Devesh Khatu or is Dr. Shuhas Joshi?
Utsav, everyone has given the correct answer. One
Correct
guy is
answer.
very smart, like Vinod Ullas. So he has put 1, 2, 3.
बात ही अलग है भाई.
This is just a test to see if you're awake.
Yeah. Okay, going to the next question. What was your favorite IITB lingo?
कुछ भी.
Come on here.
Utsav, you tell about yours.
Daya. ठीक है.
Daya reminds me of the CID episodes. Daya, कुछ तो गड़बड़ है.
अरवत तो always रहता था ना. और क्या?
नहीं हमारे टाइम पे दया नहीं था साइडी ज्यादा साइडी कुछ तो वैसे बोलते थे साइडी.
Nice.
तो पांडी था.
Okay, I think next
Okay.
question.
Next
I
question
think,
is
can we move on to the next section because we
Sure,
have some
sure,
other
sure.
fun activities as well.
Yeah, so let's wind
Yeah.
up.
Let's
So
wind
thanks
up.
for
Chalo.
the
Chalo.
participations, guys.
Yeah. I'm just leaving and going back. Okay. Yeah.
Okay, bye.
Okay, all right. Thank you guys. And thank you, Utsav and Rajesh. That was fun. Next, we have Vidyut here. Now, he actually makes planes. And those planes do fly. He got 9.8 GPA and he works at Airbus. And he's probably like one of the most enthused guy of IIT Bombay Bangalore Association. Most organized also. So take it from here, Vidyut, please. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, Sunil, for the introduction, which I did not give you. So I don't know where you got that information about the 9.8 GPA, but you're very close. That's actually very close.
9.83.
Oh, wow. It's even closer. Okay, so let me share my screen. So I have a short presentation to share with all of you. So first of all, let me welcome all of you to the chapter. On behalf of the entire IITBA Bangalore chapter family, I welcome you all to this wonderful event, and I hope you are enjoying it to the fullest. But before we go further into some of the more fun activities, we thought we will share with something about the chapter, some of the basic things or how our activities are oriented. So, okay, so just a quick glimpse of the chapter executive team which we have. So we have Dr. Smita Gupta, who is the chapter president. And along with that, we have a team of executive committee members, along with some co-opted executive committee members as well, who work along with the volunteer from the chapter for organizing all these wonderful events which we have throughout the year. But what are the pillars of all the chapter activities which we have, which is meant to engage the alumni in our chapter? So these are broadly classified into the following, but there can be some other areas as well based on how alumni engage with the chapter. So this can be either for networking and professional development, can be for knowledge and skill enhancement. It can be startup related, for festival celebration, just having fun with your group of alums from IIT Bombay. Can be for social cause, sports and fitness. So along the lines of all these pillars which we have tracks which are identified for the chapter. All these tracks have dedicated groups on WhatsApp where volunteers are free to join, ideate upon different activities which can be conducted throughout the year. And as you can see, these are the tracks which we have as of now. So from time to time, we try to understand the interests of the alumni and which are the areas in which they would like to have activities throughout the year. So we have adventure, gaming and sports track. We have a agri-tech track, core engineering, cultural, data science, design, edtech, fintech, mobility, social initiatives, and last but not the least, startups. So you also have a networking session planned for all of you, as you might have already seen in the poster which we had released. So towards the end, we'll have a networking session where we have tried to bring together senior alums who are experienced in all these fields. So towards the end, we'll also give you an opportunity to interact with some of the most experienced alums in our chapter from all these tracks. And we also have our chapter hyperlocal groups. So because Bangalore has different areas, and all these areas we have identified the areas which have the maximum alumni base. And this initiative was meant to connect alumni living in a particular area of Bangalore, because sometimes, if you know, lockdown scenario is something different, but during the normal time of the year, because of the traffic and everything, it's quite difficult to travel from one part of the city to another whenever we have event in any part of the city. So we thought, why not try to engage alums who are residing in a particular area? And it is from this idea that we have the hyperlocal groups, where we have the alums living in that particular area. Some of you might have already been added to this group. If you are not added, we'll also circulate feedback from after the event, where you can indicate your area of residence if you have already shifted to Bangalore. In case you are still, you're yet to shift to Bangalore, whenever you shift to Bangalore, we will make sure that you are added to this group and you become a part of our hyperlocal groups family as well. Last but not the least, we have our chapter website in the iitbombay.org portal, where you can find details about all the chapters, events, and basically everything about our chapter under a single thread. We'll also be sharing this link along with the feedback form. And if you have any other doubts, or if you'd like to engage in any of the tracks, you can definitely use the email ID bengaluru-chapter@iitbombay.org to reach out to the executive committee team of the chapter, and we'll make sure that you become a part of either one of these tracks or the hyperlocal groups. So with this, I will hand over the stage back to Sunil, our awesome host, Sunil, to take the event forward. Back to you, Sunil.
Thank you, Vedant. Thank you. I have a small request. So unless you are like me who had to go to bathroom, so I turned off my video, it would be great if you can turn on your videos. At least some of us can see how you guys look at. It would be nice. So please just turn on video for a minute if you can. That would be very helpful to all the folks who are here. I see a lot more videos now. Thank you. Great. One person is wearing mask also. Might be outside, but thank you. So Smita, you are the last hold up. Anyway, we'll hear from Smita later, but thank you guys for turning it on. Now, moving to the next one. Today's, at least, line of speaker themes is flying and doctor. So I have my next guest as Abhilash. He works at a company that translates to flying. Can anyone guess what name that could be?
Udan.
Yep, you are right. Full Polto guy, you know, he was GSEC and whatnot. And he even put maintenance Secchi of Hostel 3 in his LinkedIn profile. So he's really proud of all the work that he has done over there at various roles. Let me welcome Abhilash here. Please. Abhilash. Yeah.
Hey, thanks Sunil for the introduction. Yeah, so at least I know few of the members here, few of the freshmen here, because I'm a recent graduate. So I graduated in the year 2019 and I work for Udan. Yes. Yeah, so going ahead, so it is a short span because we have very less time, and probably we will go with a guessing thing. Mostly it would be few of the words that you could have used in your graduation days, or you will be using it when you come back to Bangalore. So I'll share the screen. Maybe just let me know if you're able to see.
Yep, we can see.
You're able to see, right? So it's just pixel to picture. There will be few pictures. Try to guess the word. It would be as simple as possible. These are the words that you could have used in the past 4 or 5 years, or you'll be using when you will be searching to homes and all those things in Bangalore. Let's try to see who would be able to guess. Any guesses?
Put it in chat. What comes to your mind?
So no, I can't come back from the sharing the screen because the answer
Yeah,
would be
question mark.
Yeah,
why questions? These are the answers. Q&A.
Think of a place.
Why? Queries.
The answer is like a place, or
Yes, it is a place. It is a famous place at IIT. That's the hint.
Oh, famous place at
Just
IIT.
try to connect the pictures which you see side by side.
Pictures, yeah.
Just try to connect the pictures. It's
Yep.
wonderful.
You got it.
Fantastic.
Yep.
Why point? Yeah.
We have the right answer from Uday.
It's
Yeah, I'm not a fresher, but I thought I'd
Yeah, so this will be similar to the next pictures would be similar to this. Let's see.
ये तो और भी इजी है, बोलो यार. Come on. अरे उतना सारे फ्लैग्स है, देख के मतलब कंफ्यूज मत होना. समीर हिल.
पार्टी समिट.
फर्स्ट वाले पिक्चर में समीर कहाँ है ये बताओ.
समीर कहाँ पे भाई?
Where do you see Samir in the first picture?
It's more relevant to me.
Explanation, it's okay. Yes.
Come on, जनता, कुछ तो आंसर दो.
जनता, come on. Hillside. No.
This one is tough. It's not easy. I didn't get it.
Actually, no one could get it. This is one of the best, actually.
Yep.
Now it will be great. I mean, in our team and in our, no one could guess this one.
Giri is like mountain. Yeah.
This would be as simple as possible. This is the simplest.
Maggu. Maggu. Yeah, lots of Maggu.
Lots of Maggus out here.
Now this one.
ये कौन झूठ बोल रहा है? A+.
भाई मिलता ही नहीं था.
A+. Semester conflict है. बाद में you repeat.
विद्युत को मिलते होंगे. It's Archigiri. Yeah, this would be simpler. Like, I guess.
How is that Archigiri? How is that Archigiri?
You can go back, Abhilash, and just show once quickly. So relative grade, you know, relative and
grade.
And the grade. So that's how Uday, it is RG. Remember your relative grades in IIT? Go ahead. Abhilash.
This is simpler. Most of you could have done this.
What
Yeah.
was the ill thing?
Yeah, we
Yep,
have the
yep, we
right
have an answer.
Awesome, awesome.
Awesome.
We have the answers. Right. Yeah, let's go. Yeah, this is simple. Yeah,
Cracks.
we have all the cracks. Yes.
अरे ये तो like ये क्या है?
This one's interesting.
भूला गया था ना तो साइड में लिया.
Info pen.
Info pen. Infi pen. नहीं जनता. Come on यार. कहाँ गए बाकी लोग?
गाड़ी कहाँ
यार मेरा एक बैचमेट ऐसे
कहाँ गिर
एचएलएम के
गए?
सामने नाली में पड़ा हुआ मिला था दारू पी के.
Ditch.
Yeah, you're missing one word.
Ditch.
Yes.
Yes. Now.
You guys are very smart. Our freshers are very smart.
Dosa, Mandu,
No.
Gullu.
Yeah, dosa is there.
Beoda. Somebody has written Mukut Vyari. Beoda, depression. What else?
अहमदाबाद का स्ट्रक्चर है.
जो placement होता है,
Basement.
या होता है.
Som. Placement
Because he's
season.
dressed in a suit actually. Huh?
Give up.
Yeah.
Let's try to guess this. This is easy.
This one's also very interesting. Let's see who can guess this one.
There are guys.
Come on, some answers.
Sanjit is there. Sanjit, you can do it.
Come on, Precious.
It's
What is
very,
that?
very closely related to IIT Bombay.
Okay, I think Abhilash, you can give the
Yeah.
answer.
It's Moodai.
Right.
This is, I guess most people can relate now.
PT.
Vanity.
What's that? Ghodagiri.
Yeah.
That was a new
Sanjeet.
one.
Sanjeet
Abhilash
Sahu.
was-
Yeah,
That one.
it's after 2014 words. Yeah.
Okay. Right. You're
Oh, Tushar Chamka, Chinmay,
Sunrise.
Sunrise.
This is also
Next
interesting. That's created now.
So just a hint, a word that has been used who starts delivering a speech or anything.
MC. No. I know Entu Dikhao Janta.
Yeah.
Yo.
Janta. Okay.
This is actually easy.
रूम है.
क्या है ये तो मड है.
Mandu miss. Correct.
हाँ हॉस्टल रूम सही लग रहा है मुझे.
Maddu miss.
So I think we are on time, right?
Yeah.
ये. What's that, man? थोड़ा clue दो यार ये.
Easy है मतलब ये
कोई नहीं आंसर. घाटी. Who is the
What?
Kunal? घाटी.
This is easy. Like I shouldn't give a clue at all for this.
Infi corridor. Chinmay. क्या बात. शैलेंद्र. आकाश. Infi corridor.
This is a bit tricky. I couldn't get a better version for this. Any member who is in who was in some council would know this word.
Anyone? Hand over Shubham
Yep.
Raj.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, these are places. Let's see who guesses the place name. So it's a place in Bangalore.
Banargata.
No.
Yeah. Okay.
Lal
We have the right answer. Suranjana.
Great one.
Gandhi Hills.
This would be easy.
Nandi Hills.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah. This is a. Yeah, I guess
Koramangala.
most yeah.
क्या बात क्या बात
Koramangalam.
तुषार come on
That's a new
Superman
place. Koramangalam.
Electronic City.
You guys are
विश्वजीत
really
कुमार
smart,
Oh my
yeah.
God.
भाई
Suranjana,
पूरा मैप
Tanmay,
मतलब रट्टा
Vishwajit.
मार के रखे हो क्या
Seriously?
था
I
बैंगलोर का
bet you
मैप
didn't know the answer.
Chinmay, Suranjana,
last one.
Vishwajit. So cool.
Right.
White. Wow.
वाह
Thank
अरे
you.
सब लोग यार एक साथ बोल रहे हैं शुभम उदय
मार के रखे. Yeah, this is.
सब लोग यार
what
वाइट
we
फील्ड
had.
एक साथ सब लोगों का प्लेसमेंट उधर ही है क्या कंपनी का पोस्टिंग
This Whitefield, Koramangala, Electronic City में सबका ही इधर ही है. घर भी इधर ही ढूंढ रहे हैं.
That is true. Usually, those are the most coveted areas.
Yeah. So that's it from my end.
great one
Yeah, it was good.
Great, Abhilash, you've done a great job. For Pramod had put all your pictures. You've done very good job with your later one.
What was the answer to the one with those party and party symbols, party flags, and the mountain?
Poltugiri.
Poltugiri.
Yeah, I know. That one was probably the most difficult one. I personally could not get it. Even though that doesn't mean that I got the others, but yeah, that's a difficult one. Thank you, Abhilash. I did clap, so just clap one more time for Abhilash, please. Okay, now, how many of you guys have seen the movie Chichore? Just raise your hands. Okay, great. So we have our next guest who has something common with that movie. I have pleasure of introducing Mr. or Dr. Hariharan. He actually met his wife at IIT Bombay. So he's our Sushant Singh of Chichore movie. Dr. Hariharan, please take it from here. And he told the story about that last time. So I'm not sure what he has in store for us this time. Yeah.
Yeah, thank you. Oh. It's my screen on. I don't know.
yes
Yes, we can see
can
you.
see you yes and we can hear
Okay,
you as
yeah.
well.
Hi guys, welcome to Bangalore. Nice place. And the latest thing I did is I started now. My wife scared me to going to a barber, so I took my beard trimmer and tried shaving from right side. The damn thing I did not set it, so I set it at 1, and I ended up from Hari to Jason Statham. Okay. This is the status now. Most of us in COVID are in this status now. Can't help it. Okay. Now it gives me the harvest is over, so I'm not participating in the farmer's struggle now. So my harvest is over. Okay. Now, welcome to Bangalore. Most of you, I cannot see all of you. I can see only Sunil. Yeah, only one person I can see. But I'm not going to repeat what I stated last year because that was a live audience, so I could talk freely. Thank you. Okay. Dharma is Jana. I'm not a villain, so I'm a Siddha Sada guy. Okay. Yeah, now I can see my. Good. The guys, the freshers who are moving into Bangalore, 2-3 things you need to remember. First, you will not miss the greenery of our campus in Powai. So you get to see greenery in Bangalore. So those of you who are posted in Bangalore, be happy about that. Second, whenever you feel lonely being away from, if you are from other state, just reach out to any member of IIT alumni. And guys like us, we would like to host you for a good single malt and followed with an Italian cuisine dinner or whatever choice you have. So the doors are always open. Just reach out to us. Okay. Many in Hostel 9 alone, we are around 35 to 40 of us from Hostel 9 in Bangalore. So plenty of guys from IIT Bombay in Bangalore. Those who are members of the this forum, as well as there are other private forums where they are. People who passed out in the 70s, 80s like me, 90s, 2010 and others, okay? There are 2-3 words of nuggets I want to give it to you. First, if you're freshly out of IIT, you will be, all IITians tend to walk around 5 to 6 inches above the ground, thinking that we are above the others. So my word of advice, There are other equally smart people out here who are from NUS Singapore or from US. So make friendship and just come down to ground level, because the next 40 years is what you are going to make up your career, either as a guy who was into a startup or who's working for any MNC or any other creative jobs. Be friendly with your seniors, learn from them. And if this is the first or second year of your in a new job or in a new assignment, try to find a mentor within your company or outside, totally different, to give you a perspective, because the initial 3 to 4 years is what is called a career building. Even if you own a startup, it is career building, because how you approach with your project to a venture capitalist, how you approach the financial institutions, the governments, you need some amount of guidance is needed. So if you're in doubt, just be frank, open, and approach a senior. Okay. There will be a little bit of hesitance. मैं senior से क्या बात करूं, कैसे बात करूं? Leave all egos, because we are all from the same family, IIT Bombay. Approach any seniors, be frank with your doubts, be open, and they are more than willing to help you, because this is the place where some IITians started Infosys. So you should remember, this is a great place to live, Bangalore. The second advice I want to give is never lose track of your family. At the end of the day, your family comes. So even if you're away from home, be in regular touch with your parents, be in regular, and importantly, at least twice a week, talk to your dad and to your mom, even for 2-3 words, that gives a lot of sense. Because as a parent, I can realize my son is in Detroit. If he doesn't call me once a week just to say hi, we feel lost out, So that's the duty that you need to do as youngsters to your parents. Be in touch with them regularly. The third thing is, if you are still not found a life partner, get busy with that. Because India of today is much different from my times. Me and my wife, we stayed in Hostel 9 for some times. Then my professor took pity on us and allowed us a room in his house. Then we moved out, stayed in the campus. So it's very important that you find your life partner who has the same frequency, whom you can share your time with, because that's essential. Because I know many people who miss out on their early mid-20s and move into 30s and find it difficult to find a partner. So guys who are placed in Koramangala, Indiranagar, and also in Jayanagar, JP Nagar, COVID is slowly easing. The pubs have opened up. Enjoy your time. Okay, now if anybody has any queries or questions, just ask me. I'll tell you. I'm waiting for some questions to ask.
If you want, you can put your questions in the chat box or directly ask.
Yeah, directly ask. Ask in the mic. Let's make it an interactive session. It's good that everybody is knowledgeable. Very good.
Sir, I'm not a fresher, but I'm junior here, and I was just wondering about your advice about finding a life partner, because I'm not sure all of us would agree, and I wouldn't give similar advice. So I just wanted to hear out. And
no, I'll tell you the reason. Right from Narayan Murthy to Sudha Murthy's story to my own stories, it's very, very essential you have an anchor in your life. That's very critical, because you won't realize it now because most of you are young, but you need to have a sound box, a shoulder to cry on, and also to get a honest feedback. Your parents will give you a feedback which pleases your heart and mind and your ears, but your life partner is the one who's true to herself, who will give a honest feedback. And that's the reason I tell you, because many of you may prefer to stay alone, single into your 30s, but that's something I believe in, and you'll realize it when you reach my age. Okay.
Any more questions? Just one last question, then we'll move on to next one.
Sure. And Vidyut, send out my email to others in case they want to reach out to me, okay, for any mentoring or in anything. Okay.
Sure, Hari, we will do that.
Because I have seen all ups and downs of life, everything. Okay.
Hey Hari, I'm Shiv So I just wanted to ask, like, how often is it that you guys meet up and like do some activities or like go out together or something like that.
Pre-COVID?
Yeah, pre-COVID time.
Pre-COVID, Bidyut, because in our, within our JP Nagar where I live, we do meet often.
So I am not sure who was the person who asked the question, but okay. As I was
Yeah,
mentioning
Shiva Prasad,
about
I think. If
Shiva
I'm not.
Prasad, yeah,
Yeah,
okay.
yeah.
So as I was mentioning about the hyperlocal groups, so like that, all the groups, let's say Whitefield, Indranagar, Kodmangala. So every group we try to have a meetup at least once in 3 months. That is from the pre-COVID times, and that is where all the alums living in that part of the city they meet up. And after that, as Hari was mentioning, there are also some alums who have hostel specific groups, so they also organize their own meetups. So once you become a part of the network, I'm sure, and the situation becomes normal, we will have those meetups as well. And as a part of the adventure sports and gaming track, we are also planning to have some trekking sessions or some outdoor gaming activities. So all those things are in there in the pipeline next year once things start getting more normal. So yeah,
Yeah, sure, so thank you.
thank you.
Okay. Yep. Thank you, Mr. Hariharan, for sharing your insights. That was helpful. Hopefully, people listen to your advice and at least get a life partner sooner than later. And I can say from experience that you not only need a life partner, but if you're planning to do a startup, you do need a co-founder also. Otherwise, it becomes very difficult to run a company. Talking about that, we have now stage open for networking. Let me quickly explain how that will go. So there will be meeting rooms. Bidut will be showing those meeting rooms here. He will be directing the folks based on the interest they showed into those meeting rooms. There would be a lag of maybe a minute or two before you get to join the other meeting room. So just don't panic. It will happen. Technology does work. So Bidut, please move folks to the respective meeting rooms. We have number of meeting rooms based on fintech and whatnot. So yeah, we'll go to those breakout rooms now, please.
But before that, before we start moving people to the breakout rooms where you can have more interaction with alums from the specific fields, so I would quickly mention the networking sessions which we have. So we have adventure, sports, and gaming session. We have a core engineering session. We have a cultural session. Then we have data science, fintech and strategy, and startups and VC. So I'll be also posting them on the chat box here so that you can choose the breakout room which you would like to go in first. So how we would do is that maybe for 5-10 minutes, you can spend time in one of the breakout rooms. Or if you want to interact for a bit longer, even that is okay. But after that, it might happen that you would like to explore some other field as well. So let's say someone is interested in both cultural and data science. So you can first attend the cultural breakout room, and then you can also come back to the main room, and I will be assigning you to the breakout room where you would like to join next. So can
Thank
I
you.
ask everyone?
One last thing.
Yeah,
This is
Sunil.
not the end. There is one last thing remaining. So do come back and don't leave.
Yes,
Sorry.
please do join the main room once you are done with your networking session, because we have a final event as well in the main room. So do come back to the main room. With that, let me share the breakout rooms which we have, and if you can
How long is
quickly.
the networking session?
Sorry?
How long is the networking session?
It will be for 15-20 minutes.
Okay.
But between that, if you'd like to explore some other breakout room, I would strongly advise that you can spend 5-10 minutes there and then come back to the main room so that I can assign you to the next breakout room.
Mm-hmm.
We'll all come back at 6:30 to be precise. So that, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So what you can do is, can I request everyone to just quickly start posting in the chat box that which are the breakout rooms where you would like to join. You can also share a list of all the breakout rooms which we have, but for 15-20 seconds, just quickly post in the chat box which is the breakout room where you would like to join. And I will be assigning you to that breakout room. Okay, 1 minute. I'll also. Okay, sports, adventure. There is also a breakout room for social initiatives. For someone who would like to explore that, you can stay back in the main room itself.
It is about core engineering also. We have 2 speakers.
Yes, so what I will do is we have core engineering. Okay, fine. Great. So I'll be opening the breakout rooms and I'll be assigning you one by one. Let me open the breakout rooms. Sunil, you will be there in the fintech and strategy, right?
Fintech, yeah.
Yeah, okay. Just give me a minute. This will take some time. Fintech, okay. Sunil, you are assigned to fintech. We have. Let me move the speakers first, the senior alums who will be coordinating this breakout room sessions. And then I'll be starting off with assigning all the freshers as well. Kunal, you in the startups. Okay. Okay, I think I have added all the speakers to the breakout rooms. Yes, we have one LMC each. Okay, now I'll be starting off with the freshers. Okay, Siddharth is for fintech. Okay, core engineering is there. Okay, so Suranjana, you'd like to go to the core engineering first. I will be assigning you to core engineering. Just give me a minute, guys. Core engineering. Okay. Okay. Data science. Shriram core engineering. Okay, those who are yet to be assigned to the breakout rooms, can you quickly tell me one by one? I can quickly assign you. So let me start with Akash. Akash, which room you would like to join first?
Yeah, Vidyut, I want to join to data sciences.
Data science, okay, done. You are assigned. Next, Chinmay, which breakout room would you like to join?
I would like to join Cult.
Core engineering?
Culture.
Cultural, okay. Then we have Harsh.
Data
science.
Data science, okay. Jaswant.
Data science.
Data science, okay. We have a lot of people joining in data science. Mugil Vanan. Mugil Vanan, are you there? Can you quickly tell me which breakout room you would like to join?
Says fintech.
Okay. Then we have, okay. Omkar.
Fintech.
Fintech. Okay, Rachit.
Rachit said core engineering.
Yeah, core engineering. Okay. So just sorry guys, there are a lot of messages in the chat box, so I will be doing it quickly. This way,
No
Tushar.
problem.
Tushar.
Data science.
Data science. Okay, done.
And put Mukut
Vishwajit.
Buhari Meena in the sports track.
Sports, yeah.
Okay,
He's
I had
the
assigned
speaker.
him. I think he has rejoined. Okay. Vishwajit.
Mukut, you go to the
Data science.
Data science. Okay, done. Then we have Samir.
Yeah, startups.
Startups. Okay, perfect. Done. Sanjeet.
Sports and adventure.
Sports and adventure, done. Shiva Prasad,
Yeah, fintech.
fintech, okay, done. Nisha Satish,
Startups and VC.
startups and VC, okay, done. And the rest of the guys, would you like to join some breakout rooms? Smita, Namita, Devesh.
I just wrote you put me in the startups and I'll come back to the cult and then
Okay, okay, Smita, done. Ashutosh, you would like to join any one of the breakout rooms?
Social initiatives.
Social initiatives, then you can stay back in the main room itself for the timing. Abhilash?
Startup and VC.
Startups and VC, wonderful. Namita and Devesh, you would also like to join some of the breakout rooms?
So Biddu, just a comment. It's actually, you can actually have people join the breakout rooms themselves.
Yes,
So that,
Devesh, actually we tried that feature just before the start of the event. We were trying that and there were some issues with that. So when we tried out, many of them were not able to see that feature where they can choose the breakout room. So we
So
tried
what
it
happens
out.
is that you have to open the rooms at one point, so you don't see the breakout button until the rooms are opened. And so
Yes,
basically,
Devesh, I had opened the rooms, but even then after that, apart from Regis, everyone else, they were not able to see the rooms as an option in their screen. So
Oh
that
yeah,
was-
that's right. I think it might have to do with the Zoom version because
Yeah,
you need to have
might be.
5.3, and above.
Right,
So,
right. So they were
yeah.
facing issues. We did a dry run, and after that we decided let's go with this way. Maybe it will take some time, but at least they will be able to join the room. So
right.
Yeah, yeah, that was the reason. But would you like to join any of the breakout rooms just in case? Or you'd like
Yeah,
to-
why don't you put me to the sports room maybe?
Sports room. Okay, wonderful. Sure.
And I'm going to
Nam-
say social initiatives.
Okay, then in the main room itself.
I'm here.
Okay. Okay, wonderful. So, Ashutosh, I'm not sure if you're aware of what are the social initiatives which we had in the last year. Namita would be aware while we send out the write-ups to the central office. But one of the things which was a success story last year was the career counseling workshop which we had conducted.
Okay.
For one of the schools known as Sishu Mandir. And
Yeah.
this school caters to the needs of underprivileged kids from all sections of the society.
Yeah, yeah.
And when we
Even-
interacted, yeah.
Even I attended the VKC session also. We conducted one of the VKC
right,
sessions.
right. Yes, yes. That was also something which we did this year. And so for the career counseling workshop, we interacted with the director of the school and also some of the class teachers. What we
Yeah.
came to know is that they have sufficient resources which they get from the different corporates through the CSR funds. They give them all the funds, all that support they have. But the thing which was
Okay.
lacking is proper guidance. So let's say one student would like to pursue a career in chemical engineering. Someone would like to become maybe they would like to go into the commerce field.
Understood.
Yeah, so different fields are there, but they did not have someone to guide them. So
Okay.
guidance was something which was lacking. So they said that if we can somehow help them in that aspect.
Understood. Understood.
So the workshop was designed in such a way, we tried to collect all the inputs of what are the things which they would like to pursue going on later part of their career.
Yeah.
And then trying to have people from within the alumni association here in Bangalore chapter who can help them out with those career options. We'll try to
Understood.
map them basically. So that was one thing and they really found it useful. The feedback received was also quite great.
Yeah.
And the things that now we plan to continue that even in the next year, where we map those mentor and mentees from the underprivileged kids and we continue that initiative.
Count me in for that.
Sure. We would love to have you.
Yeah.
And okay. Devesh, you're on mute.
Can you assign me to the fintech room?
Yeah, okay.
In fact, now I can see the breakout rooms option. Let me just go there directly.
Okay. Can you see the option? Okay, I think Devesh is okay. I can move him to the fintech. Okay, done. So the VKC, obviously you have seen, that was one of the success stories which were there where a lot of alums from a chapter, they came together, they wanted to set up something in a village with very minimal resources. They started it. And the wonderful part about this was the time period for which it was sustained. So it was sustained for a very long time.
Oh.
And it is very unique. As you see in Alumni Association, we have volunteers who are active for a certain period of time, then they get busy with certain professional commitments and then they become inactive. But for that group to stay together for a long period of time and then finally to have that kind of an impact that it was replicated across different villages
Yeah,
was
yeah.
one of the success
That
stories
was
of the
really
social initiatives.
like after hearing that session, it was such a great feeling. And
Yeah.
then the people, those who are on ground, it must be a great feeling for them as well.
Yeah.
So yeah, similarly, some sort of those things would be, we should also plan such sort of things if possible, definitely.
Yes. So the idea was that we were planning to have a visit to one of the VKC centers, the knowledge centers in a village, see
Yeah.
what the status is.
Correct.
Because again, that thing happened. Once that group of alumni who were working on this became inactive,
Correct.
there was no further progress on that topic. So the idea was to see what is the status in those villages. And then we can try to see who are the volunteers who can actually try to revive that initiative again. That is something which we're looking for. And I'm not sure if you're aware of the IITB alumni for Amphan fundraising campaign which we did.
Fundraising, yeah, you personally coordinated it. Yeah.
Yeah, so that was something which we did, and we coordinated across different chapters.
Correct.
Throughout India, multiple chapters came together.
Yeah.
And those volunteers worked to identify a NGO, which was Ramakrishna Mission.
Yeah.
The idea of that NGO was to see that all the funds which we collect, it goes to the places which need them the most. And for that, we found Ramakrishna Mission to be the ideal one.
Understood.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, okay. Chinmay, would you like to go to some other breakout room?
Yeah. I want to go to core engineering group.
Core engineering. Okay. And you were there in
Culturals.
You were there in cultural. Okay, got it. So from cultural, you want to move to core engineering, right? Okay, done.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. And okay, sure. So Ashutosh, any idea which you would like to see come true through the social initiatives track? Anything which you have in mind, which we can explore?
So currently there is one such organization that is working for the menstrual hygiene of the woman, especially during the COVID times. I'm working with them right now. So that during the COVID times, menstrual hygiene of the woman is one such thing which is not being taken care of. In the initial part of the COVID, it was sanitary pads were not even kept in the essential items. So right now, after working with them for a couple of months, I got to know what is the condition of menstrual hygiene in India pre-COVID as well as during COVID, and now what are things are going on. So one such organization is Painted Red. We can have we can work, we can look forward for the aspects that we can contribute. We can have some kind of contribution. Other sorts of, there is one NGO that I know, that is Collective Consciousness, that works on the mental health of the person, those who are depressed or those who are not in a good mental state. They try to they try to work with them and try to encourage them for their life. So some kind of those aspects that we can work upon.
Okay. Wonderful, sure. You're already a part of the volunteer group, right? Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Right. So the idea is, what we're trying to do is next year maybe we'll have a all hands meeting where all the volunteers will be invited, and there we can share this idea with everyone.
Correct.
And see how to take it forward.
Yeah, we need one kind of oyster kind of meetup, at least for the volunteer. It's been a long time.
Right. Yes, sure. We need that. So after that, once we exchange all the ideas, I'm sure that we'll have many such wonderful ideas. I am sure all the volunteers, they have many such ideas. We can explore upon that. Okay. Smita is back to the main room. Smita? Hello? Okay, she's joining. Okay, in the waiting room.
So much of toggle going on between the rooms.
Yes, I can see that it's going on. So I think when the volunteers were filling out the responses, the highest number of responses were for the adventure sports and gaming.
Adventure sports and gaming.
And then it was data science for sure. Yeah, and startups obviously is a favorite. It's a favorite.
Okay, hi Vidyut. Can you put me in the data science thing? I want to just see what's happening.
Done, Smita. Already moved in. Okay. Okay. Would you like to, Ashutosh, you want to check out some of the breakout rooms?
No, I think this is like very less time
Okay.
is remaining. So
Okay.
I
Okay. We
skip
have
this one.
Suranjana with us. Suranjana, you'd like to be assigned to some other breakout room?
Is this thing on social initiatives right now?
Yes. Yeah. Right. Right. Yeah. That's
I'd
the one
just
on
like to
social.
listen in for a while and then maybe I'll move
Sure.
to something
Sure.
else.
Okay. Right. So for social initiatives, I would like to share with you some of the events which we had,
Mhm.
and also then after that you can share with us if you have any such ideas which you would like to get implemented.
Okay.
So one of the initiatives was the career counseling workshop which we had. So we went to a school which caters to the needs of underprivileged kids. The name of the school is, okay, just a minute, sorry. Sanjit, would you like to be assigned to some other breakout room? This is for
Yeah,
the
maybe.
social initiatives.
Yeah, I'm
right
fine.
now.
I'm fine. I'm fine.
Okay, 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 wonderful. Mukut, you are on mute.
Okay, okay. ये मैन अपना है ना ओरिजिनल ग्रुप मैन बोला.
Yes, this is the main breakout room. Yeah.
Oh,
right.
okay, okay, okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay. Would you like to be assigned to some other breakout room, Mukut? You are in the adventure sports and gaming, right?
Yeah, yeah. So we had a discussion.
Yeah. Okay.
Sanjeet and Sahu.
Mm-hmm.
With some,
Okay. 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 Wonderful.
so
Okay.
two of us were there.
Okay. So things that the main room we are using it for the discussion on social initiatives.
Okay.
And I was telling Suranjana about this initiative which we had known as career counseling workshop, where we visited a school, Sishu Mandir. And this school, we wanted to know from them that what is the actual thing which they need from us, because otherwise we simply do a donation drive, but we wanted to know which are the areas where we can help, because they receive a lot of donations through the CSR funds. But the area where they wanted help from us was guidance, providing guidance to the students in terms of the career choices which they make. They really wanted that. They did not have enough number of senior people who can guide them. So we did a workshop where we tried to map the interests of all the underprivileged kids, and then trying to find mentors within the chapter who can guide them with those career choices.
Mm-hmm.
And the interesting thing was we also had a case study workshop where we floated different problems related to the society. Let's say the traffic situation in Bangalore, the water scarcity, okay, too much of internet usage which is there right now. And so all these problems which we are actually facing. So children as young as from the standards 6, 7, 8 till standards 10, 11, 12. So all the students, they came up with such nice ideas, means definitely we were speechless that at such a young age they were given a chart paper on which they could draw whatever solution they could think of for all those problems. It was actually quite wonderful to see how innovative and creative they were in terms of the solutions which we can propose. Maybe if all of you are also part of the social initiatives group which we have, and also share some of the pictures which we had from the event where they shared their ideas beautifully. We also had a VKC event, which was the flagship event of IITBA Bangalore chapter. VKC stands for Village Knowledge Center. We went to remote villages in and around the Karnataka area. And these villages, we set up centers with 1 or 2 computers. These villages had absolute lack of access to internet facilities. They did not even know what a computer is. And we said that what can be a better option to start with than just providing 1 or 2 computers. And volunteers from the chapter would visit those knowledge centers during the weekends. They would try to teach them basic things with computers. And they liked the idea so much, the village panchayat, they liked it so much, they could see a change coming. The nearby villages, they wanted the chapter to replicate the same thing in those villages as well. So we went around and this was set up in as many as 7 to 8 more villages. The same structure, village knowledge center.
So how long are these sessions? Like, is this for a week or weekend or day?
During the weekend, we used to either go, so the previous alums from our chapter. So right now we are trying to resume the initiative next year, but it used to happen on one of the weekends. And for 1 or 2 hours, we would visit the village and then we used to tell them to come at that designated time, which we have set. We used to teach them some basic things, like let's say even a Word document or how to document things in Excel. That is also a very valuable skill. So all those things they found useful, and they even used it for their own employment benefit, so they could find better jobs with all those skills which were imparted.
Oh, this is great. Which villages are these? These are actually very nice.
Okay, so what I can do is, so Suranjana, are you a part of the social initiatives group which we have on WhatsApp?
Yeah, Vidyut, can you add me in those groups also?
Yeah, sure. So what I'll be doing
have
is,
So
shared all details on the
like if I
feedback form,
remember,
or not on the application form that was circulated.
okay,
So
okay,
I've put in all. I put in my WhatsApp number, and I've put in all. I've marked all the fields that I'm interested in.
okay, sure. So what I'll be doing is, that was a field to know that which networking session you would like to attend. But there will be one more form which will be circulating, where we would like to have a feedback for this event which we conducted, and also your interest to join any one of these tracks.
Yeah.
So there, if you indicate your preference, we would surely be adding all of you to all those groups.
We can eventually, in the hyperlocal groups, we can recirculate the form or recirculate the information, so that the people those who are interested, then they can join. Those who have missed out earlier.
So one thing about the hyperlocal groups is Bangalore is a large area, so there are also people who will not be part of those areas in which the hyperlocal groups are present. I mean, there could be
Definitely,
still
that's
isolated
a
cases,
point.
which is
What we do is, in that case, if you find your area to be in and around one of the major hyperlocal groups which we have, so you can join that, because our policy is that whenever we see from a certain part of Bangalore we have lots of alums joining, then we try to create a dedicated group. So for the timing, what you can do is, if you find the area which is very near to your area, you can join that.
So you have alumni, you have people in IISc, right? Which area do they join? Because my
Yeah, I can actually help you here, Sanjana. So where do you stay in Bangalore?
Near Malleshwari.
Great.
That is near like IISc. You were just asking now.
Yes. So where these people would probably
we put them into the North Bangalore group. So what happens is, so that will be like a larger area where you can actually get aligned with.
Okay. Just a quick question to everyone who has joined back to the main session. Anyone of you would like to get assigned to some other breakout room? We will have maybe 2 to 3 minutes more of time in the breakout rooms. If
yes,
you'd like to
I would
join,
like to.
Join which breakout room, Suranjana?
Startup.
Okay.
Adventure and sports is one breakout group, or
I think
adventure, sports and gaming is one breakout room. Yeah.
So first startup, then this. Oh, I did not know we did not have.
Okay. For adventure, sports and gaming, the speaker is here in the main room itself. We have Mukut with us. So if you want, you can interact with him here. But I can assign you to the startups group for the time if you'd
Can
like.
we do the startups first, and then maybe the adventure sports?
But you can put it back in the startups room. I wanted to check out the data science also. They both are going good actually.
Okay. Okay. Sure. So Suranjana, I will put you to.
With Nisha here, I would like to get assigned to culturals.
To cultural, okay, done. Suranjana, I will assign you to startups. Smita would like to get added to startups, Smita?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, done. Anyone else you would like to explore some other breakout rooms? I think many of them are coming. Okay. Nisha, Satish, you wanted to join one of the breakout rooms?
Culturals.
Cultural, okay, sorry, I missed it. But you have been assigned to cultural, I can see.
Well, I'm not. I'm in the main room.
Just a minute. Is there multiple account?
No.
Okay. Strange, just a minute.
Vidyut, I think it's 6:34. We'll have to call everyone back.
Yes, we will do it. Just a couple of minutes. Satish, I just want to. Okay, to cultural. Okay. Done. So I will post a message in all the groups that will be closing in some time.
And you have to rush with you. You also have a flight to catch.
I hope I don't miss that. Okay. Yeah, okay. Done. I have posted a message. Let's wait for a couple of more minutes and then we'll be moving ahead.
And we'll have to find Smita somewhere here.
Smita, she has joined the startups group. So how was the session, guys? Some of the speakers, can you share your experience? Maybe we can start with core engineering. Rijas and Ali, how was the session?
Ali and Ganesh only did that.
Okay, you did not join the...
I just joined as a...
Oh, as a fresher?
Yeah.
Okay.
No, we had quite a very good participation. 100% of people who were there, the speakers also had participants. So we had 2 of us, and then we got 2 people coming from there. It was good discussion, and as expected, I mean, there are very few individuals into the core engineering. So, but it's good to spread out the word and see who all are there who would be interested to be part of that network.
Okay.
So Ganesh?
Yeah, nothing much to add. I think it was good to see people after a long time.
And you found someone from CFD background, right? At least.
Yep, I found one guy.
Who also had intersection with Aero. So yeah,
right.
That's why I was happy and I had asked some more questions. So I think now data science speakers are also here. So we'll ask.
We have, okay, I've closed all the breakout rooms. So everyone is back in the main room. I hope all of you had a wonderful experience interacting with the...
We were actually in the middle of quite a few breakout rooms that I could not attend, but I can still join the groups, right?
Yes, sure. We will, as mentioned, we will circulate a form to collect all your preferences of joining different groups. And after that, we'll be following up with the track leads for each of these tracks. And we'll be making sure that you get added to all the volunteer groups where you would like to join. Okay. Thank you. I'm sorry if I have closed the breakout rooms in between a discussion, but we also have the last part of the session to continue with. And for that, I would like to hand over the stage back to Sunil.
All right, thank you. And the last but not the least is actually a very important person, Smita. She's a doctor in philosophy. And yes, she did that at IIT Bombay. Imagine that. So we have philosophy also at IIT Bombay. I don't have enough words to say about her on various things she does. She's probably one of the most important person at IIT Bombay Bangalore Association. She keeps it running along with Vidyut and rest of the guys. So please welcome Smita here. Yeah, for vote of thanks. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Sunil. Thank you everyone for joining this session this evening. So I'd like to start and thank our CEO Devesh Khatu and our CEO Namita Lobo for taking out time in this schedule, and for joining this session. We are thankful to the central office for also, sharing the freshers database, especially to Gaurav Shinde. Vidyut Datta, so he's been the event coordinator for this event, and he started ideating for the event, and I think he's done a brilliant job in making sure that each and every aspect is actually looked into. The team, so surely we'd like to thank the organizing team, which has actually made this possible. And like you saw, Utsav, he was doing the Mentimeter, and along with him, Rijas, both of them have done a good job. We also had an earlier version of this event where we had some of these games we played, in a meet and greet, in a chapter informal meet and greet event, which happened on 6th of September. Also, Vidyut was the event coordinator. And so I guess it was quite enjoyable, like when we are playing such games, especially in these times when we're online and we cannot meet each other in person. Also, we'd like to thank Abhilash, who did the pixel to picture, and the earlier pictures were done by Pramod. So thanks to Pramod, who could not join this event today because of his earlier commitments, and to Abhilash, who did a very good job, in actually putting very cool pictures together. Ashutosh, Naveen, Ramesh were part of the ideation team, and Naveen could not join again. He had some family function to attend. I'd like to thank all the freshers today, who could actually take out time. I know you'd be having a very, hectic schedule and getting used to your, work. Some of you have not yet moved to Bangalore. Maybe you'll be moving to Bangalore soon. We'd also open this to some of you who had not, who may or may not move to Bangalore, because since we're in a virtual mode now, so we really thank each one of you, to attend this event. Sincere thanks to Hariharan sir, because he's a senior alumni chapter. Last year also he done a very good experience sharing session. So again, it's nice, to hear from him. Thanks are due to the senior alum who took out time in the schedule for various networking sessions, starting from the core engineering, Ali and Ganesh Samdani. We had for Cult, Anirudh, Shubhankit, who performed those are very good performances. They are two of our stars. Also had Utsav, who's the track lead for the cultural track, to actually tell us about the cultural track. We had data science, so the track leads could not join today. So we had Uday Kumar Khatwa, and he gave a very engaging and a brilliant presentation, to give an overview to our new friends about what data science is and how they can actually make a career in that. Again, from startups, we had Kunal, who's a track coordinator for the startups track. I think we had a senior alum, Samir Kelekar from 1983 batch joining in. So actually, thank you to each one of you. For the fintech track, yes, we have Sunil, who's again a mid-senior alum, and he's worked for 15 plus years, about 15, 20 years in the fintech field. He also has now a startup. He's a top manager in the startup Carbon Cards. We had Siddharth Jain, who's again the track coordinator for fintech. So as Vidyut mentioned, you can join these tracks later when you fill up the feedback form. And social initiatives, yes, Vidyut gave you an overview. He's the track coordinator. Tamanna could not be present today. Thanks, last not the least, to Divyam Goel for giving us this Zoom platform. So his firm Attain is the tech partner for IIT Bombay Alumni Association Bangalore chapter. So thank you, Divyam, for your help in ensuring that we have a seamless events in the online mode. Thank you, everyone. I think with this, I hand over back to Sunil, the anchor for the event.
Okay, thank you, Smita. That was very nice. Don't think we missed anything, and if we missed anyone, we apologize. Sorry for that. Again, we are here to help and connect and hopefully guide you also. You heard from a lot of senior alums. They would be more than
make
happy.
sure not to miss anyone.
Yeah. They are more than happy to help you in whatever queries you have, including your partner search, if that's your query. Again, thank you very much. And we will end it now and have a wonderful weekend. Sorry.
The form that was sent. So the portion where you say which tracks would you like to join, it's like I can only select one. Can that be altered?
Okay, no worries. We will make it to multiple options, and we'll be sharing the form once again through the email IDs which you have shared with us.
All right.
During the
You can
registration.
select multiple options.
Yep. And if you have queries on anything, just note down the email address, the Bangalore chapter 1, and we'll get you in multiple tracks or anything. Like if you want to connect with XYZ senior alum also, we are here to help and hopefully connect also. Yeah.
And another request is, could you also make the hyper-local group like multiple? Because if we are in an area where one day, maybe one of these times I might be able to
Not
join.
two, because a person can only join.
I see. Okay. That's okay.
No, so Suranjana, that is a chapter policy. An alum can only join one hyperlocal group.
Okay, that's fine. That's
your area of residence. Yeah.
Suranjana, this is also because on WhatsApp, as you know, we have a limitation of the number of members which we can join. So what happens is that sometimes we reach that limit quite early for some of the very popular groups like maybe Whitefield, Kormangla. So to make sure that we give a good opportunity for alums to be a part of groups, so that's why we have it.
Also, Vidyut, the events are posted in the mother group also, right? So if anybody's interested to join any other hyperlocal group event, they can always get information from our bigger Telegram group, and then up to your interest if you want to travel and join anywhere else.
Oh, that's possible then. Okay, that's cool.
No, so the group, in groups, the details of events are shared widely.
Oh, okay, okay. I thought it's
Yeah,
like
yeah.
restricted.
Thanks, Ali. No. So you can join the Telegram group as well. The Ali, thanks you. He's right. So from there you can get all the information chapter wide.
Okay, what is the link for the Telegram or what is the name?
We'll share that one actually. I think BTUT will share with the Telegram link as well with the participants.
Okay, great.
Yes, we will share it. And now for the tracks also, I have made it, you can select multiple options. So
Okay.
if you try to edit it once more, you can do it.
All right, I'll do that.
Okay. Okay.
Thanks, everyone.
Thank you everyone for joining. Hope you had a wonderful
Did
evening.
we take the photograph, Bidyut?